How much do mini dental implants cost? That is a very good question. And it depends on your situation. If you're missing a single tooth, if you're missing multiple teeth, we're going to stabilize your denture. There's different costs for each one of those procedures. We really encourage you to come in for the free consultation that will cost you nothing. And we can determine by examination and a CT scan what your needs are and give you an accurate treatment plan. We can discuss those treatment plans with you. They will include the fees and the cost for your final treatment. And we can go over your financing options if financing is something you're interested in. We want to do everything we can to help you maintain and restore your teeth back to the health that you expect. So give us that call for the free consultation, and we look forward to seeing you.